This is the Überslide, our premium slimline sliding door system. With its ultra slim frames at just 20mm, electric locking, the Überslide is perfect for contemporary self-builds and modern renovations. So if you've got electronic lock-in, if you want to let a contractor in and you're not at home, you can unlock the door for them. If your mum's coming round to pick something up, you can unlock the door from afar. The phone will do it on the app. Connect to your smart home hub and hey presto, your door is open. So when you've got a flush threshold, you've got the same level of flooring inside and outside. So effectively you can walk straight through, there's no trip hazard. You can go over it with a wheelchair. It's completely flush from inside to outside, and that looks absolutely brilliant if you've got similar flooring inside and outside as well. It brings the two spaces together really well. Sightline is the framework and what you actually see when you're looking straight at that framework. In our case with the Überslide door, it's 20mm, which is super slim. So it doesn't get in the way of your view, it doesn't block the space, it doesn't obstruct the view that you're looking at from inside. So these panels can go up to 4.2 meters wide for each panel. We could do up to 6 panels, so that's a huge expanse of glass. So with these huge panel sizes, you can create a whole wall of glass and it just connects the inside with the outside. You can see the nature outside and you can bring everything that's great about the outdoors into your home. Like imagine opening up a whole huge wall of glass. If you imagine you've got 4.2 meters and 4 of those panels, you can literally take a whole wall away, opening your house up to the outside.